Seneca Village, New York 1857, flooded during the creation of Central Park after black residents were displaced. Oscarville, Georgia 1950s, flooded to create Lake Lanier, erasing a thriving black community. Freetown, Alabama 1920s, flooded due to a dam construction. Vanport, Oregon 1948. A historically black town destroyed by a flood, residents were left displaced. Allensworth, California 1930s. A self-sufficient black town faced water shortages due to diverted resources, leading to eventual decline. Kettle Bottom, Pennsylvania 1920s. Frequent mine-related flooding displaced black miners. Halsey Endale, Georgia 1940s. A black farming community inundated by local dam projects. Martinsville, Indiana 1937, flooding disproportionately impacted black neighborhoods. Chickamaucomico, North Carolina 1933, black residents in this coastal area were displaced by frequent hurricanes and floods. Cabin Creek, West Virginia 1940s. Flooding disrupted coal towns with majority black populations. Dunbar, West Virginia 1960s. Flood control projects displaced many black residents. Timbuktu, New Jersey 1800s. A free black settlement suffered severe flooding. Hobson City, Alabama 1930s. Neglect of flood control infrastructure disproportionately impacted this black town. Freedman's Town, Texas 1935, suffered repeated flooding from Buffalo Bayou. Princeville, North Carolina 1999. A historic black town was flooded by Hurricane Floyd. New Orleans, Louisiana 2005. Predominantly black neighborhoods were devastated by Hurricane Katrina. Tunica, Mississippi 1927. Flooding from the Mississippi River affected black sharecroppers the most. Mound Bayou, Mississippi 1927. Black-founded town faced flooding and systemic neglect. Gee's Bend, Alabama 1930s. A historically black community was displaced by dam-related flooding. Helena, Arkansas's 1937. Black residents were disproportionately affected by Mississippi River floods. The Bottoms, Missouri 1927. A black neighborhood in St. Louis was destroyed by flooding. Elwood, Kansas 1903. Floods displaced black farming communities. Natchez, Mississippi 1840s. Flooding disrupted a large population of freed blacks. Jackson Ward, Virginia 1970s. Flood control projects displaced black residents. Eatonville, Florida 1920s. Neglected drainage infrastructure led to frequent flooding in this historic black town.